Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to track your Lendingclub loan balance. Keeping an eye on your loan balance is going to help you plan payments and of course to monitor your progress. So let's get into how to track this. The first step is to log into Lendingclub. So go ahead and use the website or mobile app to log into your account. Next is to access loan dashboard. So go to loans and then select the specific loan that you want to track. Next is to review current balance. Now the dashboard is going to show your principal remaining. It's also going to show the interest accrued as well as the total balance. You can also check payment history. So just scroll to payment history to see past payments, dates, and amounts that are applied to principal and interest. And then you can set alerts. You can just enable balance or payment reminders under the notification settings to stay updated. A pro tip is to use Lendingclub's summary charts to visualize exactly how each payment reduces your principal over time. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.